Welcome to Arcadier Marketplaces, and congratulations on creating your own marketplace. My name is Evelina, and this is part 2 of navigating the administrator portal on the Arcadier platform. In this video, I'll be covering this set of features. Now let's get started. Under Permissions, the first thing you will see is the Private Marketplace tab, which lets you choose specific members to have access to your marketplace. What this means is that you can set up your marketplace as a closed marketplace, accessible by invited buyers or sellers only. It also allows you to vet any new buyers and sellers before allowing them on board your marketplace. Once you toggle on, you will have 2 types of restrictions. Restrict access to all guest users only allows registered buyers and sellers access into the marketplace. Guest users will not be allowed to view the content of the marketplace and will be required to send a request to be approved by the administrator in order to create an account to view the marketplace. This also means that users will always have to log in order to view the marketplace. Alternatively, restrict access to seller signup restricts only potential sellers from accessing your marketplace, but not buyers. A seller cannot sell on your marketplace unless they have been approved by you, the marketplace administrator. Sellers can send a request to be vetted, and once approved, they can log in to upload their products. If you like to change your interest form page to your own look and feel, you can also customize your restricted access page by amending the page title, About Us, background image, and URL link fields. Lastly, we understand that you may have more than one person to help you or your merchants manage your marketplace. Hence, we have a feature that allows you to give sub-admin and sub-merchant access to your marketplace. Under Admin Permissions, you are able to invite people by email to give them admin access, allowing them to make changes on the admin portal themselves as they help you to manage your marketplace. The Admin Activity Log tab allows you to view your activity on your marketplace, including logins, the pages visited, as well as the items created or amended. Finally, the Merchant Subaccounts tab allows you to create subaccounts for your merchants, providing their teams with access to become submerchants in order to manage orders, upload, and edit items exclusively to that merchant store. We have added a preview page here to show that once you have turned this toggle to on, your seller portal will have an additional tab called Subaccount, where your sellers can add submerchants by clicking on the Invite Subaccount button here. The email notification feature allows you to customize the different types of automated emails sent to your sellers and buyers. Under Email Notification, you will be able to customize the content and HTML for the notifications sent to your users under Email Template. You may enable this feature by clicking the Enable button. However, do note that this feature is still in beta and is only available in English. Hence, any other languages set in the Language tab will be overwritten. We have plans to allow multi-language email notifications in time. Opening up individual email notifications will let you view the HTML code in each template, which you can customize yourself once you've enabled this feature. You can hire a digital content creator with HTML experience should you want to make HTML edits to your email notification, for example, adding visuals or changing aesthetics. You can also track the email notifications sent out to users from the marketplace via the mail log, where you can also view individual emails sent or even resend them if needed. Under the Analytics tab, you can see that Arcadier has built a generic marketplace analytics dashboard, which allows you to view sales data across your entire marketplace. You are given the basic features such as toggling between timeframes, as well as simple dashboards reflecting your best product sellers and top viewed items. If you would like to see how many people have visited your marketplace and where they're from, you can also look into enabling Google Analytics for your marketplace. To begin tracking your site's analytics, simply link your tracking ID and Google View ID and sign into Google to link your account. Should you face any issues, we have help articles to walk you through the process as well. Arcadier understands that it's important for your marketplace to be discoverable on a Google search result. As such, we also provide a search engine optimization or SEO feature that allows you to fill in your title and meta description to make your site easier to find on search engines. So when someone searches those keywords on Google, they will find your marketplace. We also have robots.txt that tells search engine crawlers which pages or files the crawler can or can't request from your site. This is mainly used to avoid overloading your site with requests. You can also view your updated sitemap HTML by copying this link and pasting it onto any browser. If required, you can upload this to search engines to enable them to crawl your marketplace content. Under the Language tab, you are able to add and configure the languages on your marketplace. This can be done via the Language Settings tab. Firstly, adding a language on the marketplace is as simple as selecting from a drop-down list where you can choose your desired language. Arcadia currently offers 93 language translations within our system. Arcadia has also pre-translated 16 of these languages that are commonly used around the world. You can view the help article on supported languages to find out what they are. You can also pull translations of the languages outside of the given 16 by simply going to the Google Translate tab and pulling the translations from Google Translate by connecting your Google Developers account to your administrator portal. To do so, you will need to have registered for a Google Developers account. Lastly, you can also amend specific text manually, whether for translation or branding purposes. The Edit Text tab allows you to manually translate the site as the administrator, where every word and button on the site is editable through this feature. It can also be used to refine Google Translate's pulled translations as well. Because the Edit Text feature allows you to edit any button or default word, you can also change default words to contextualize your marketplace, such as changing "be a seller" to "be a photographer." Do note that you can add translations to both your buyer or seller portal, and you can select different default languages to appear on either portal. For example, if you have Chinese sellers that are selling to French buyers, you can make the default language different for each portal. Under Settings, you are able to see your account information and billing details through Account Info, as well as your contact details should you wish to release them to your buyers and sellers on your marketplace via Contact Info. Additionally, you are able to view your subscription plan, where you can subscribe when your 30-day free trial has come to an end, as well as upgrade to a higher plan should you wish to do so at any time on this page. You may also view your payment invoices by clicking on this button here. Likewise, you can view your subscription invoices on this tab. Arcadia currently boasts a marketplace of plugins that you can add to your marketplace should you wish to do so. These are essentially additional, optional features you can add to your marketplace if you like. You can read more about what each of these plugins can do here. These plugins are all built by Arcadia or a third-party developer and are available to any marketplace operator. In the case that you need something a bit more specific to your marketplace needs, you can engage with a developer or expert partner from our Arcadia family to assist you with creating a private plugin for you. For more information regarding expert partners, a link will be added below in the description box. To install a plugin, simply click the Install button and hit Refresh. You will now see your new marketplace plugin as part of your admin interface. Lastly, we have a Start Selling tab that will allow you to act as a seller on your marketplace. You can enjoy the features that are available to all sellers as an admin seller yourself. For more information regarding the seller portal, do click the seller walkthrough video to find out more. We hope that this two-part walkthrough helps you better understand how to maximize the features of your admin portal. If you need more information on any of the features in these videos, don't forget to click on the Arcadia FAQ here to learn more about those features. On behalf of Arcadia, we wish you all the best in building your marketplace.